I will take reading through the same procedure. Now again 20 ml of water sample, pipette out 20 ml of water sample, ml of water sample from the pipette. Okay, yes, this is the 20 ml of water sample. Again just you can see, this is the 20 ml of water sample. Now add 1 or 2 drop of heron indicator. You can see greenish blue color. Okay, this is the color of the solution. Now again I will titrate with ferrous ammonium sulfate solution. I am titrating with ferrous ammonium sulfate solution here, and the end point of the reaction is okay. This is the end point of the reaction, and reddish brown color is the, it means the greenish blue color turns into the reddish brown color. This is the end point of the reaction, and the reading is 9. Okay, it means here 4.5 is the initial reading of the burette, and this is the 9.0 ml. Okay, final reading. It means here this is the 4.5 ml, because 9.0 minus 4.5, it means 4.5. Okay, this I have obtained two same reading, it means concordant reading, and the experiment is completed. Okay, experiment is completed. I have performed this experiment with blank solution and blank sample, and experiment with water sample. Okay, for the blank sample, the same reading was 5.0 ml, and for the water sample collected from the source, the reading is 4.5 ml. Okay. Now, I come on to the calculation of this experiment. I am coming on to the calculation of this experiment. You can see the formula of COD, chemical oxygen demand, and the chemical oxygen demand with the calculation of the chemical oxygen demand can be calculated or can be determined with this formula, COD equal to A minus B. Here the A, it means volume of ferrous ammonium sulfate against blank solution, and the reading for the blank solution is 5.0 ml. B is volume of ferrous ammonium sulfate against water sample, and the reading for water sample is 4.5 ml. And N, it means the normality of ferrous ammonium sulfate into 8 into 1000. This is the standard formula, and which is taken from APA, American Physical Association. Okay, and for the various types of water samples, the same formula will be applied, and because therefore I have taken this formula here. Okay, now I am putting the value of blank solution and the value of water sample, and the calculation is for value A means for the blank solution 5.0 minus 4.5 into the normality of ferrous ammonium sulfate solution is 0.25 into 8 into 1000 upon water sample taken in the pipette, and you can see the water sample, the volume of water sample is 20 ml, and I am calculating this. The final solution of this experiment, or the amount of chemical oxygen demand in the water sample, is 445 milligram per liter. Okay, this is the amount of oxygen which is required to oxidize organic pollutant in the water. Okay, the value of chemical oxygen demand in the wastewater is 445 milligram per liter, and this was the experiment for today. Thank you.